As of May 17, 2023, the population of Cambodia is estimated to be 17,381,936. This represents a 1.06% increase from 2022. The population of Cambodia is expected to continue to grow in the coming years, reaching 18.5 million by 2030. The growth of the Cambodian population is being driven by a number of factors, including a high birth rate and a young population. The average age in Cambodia is 25.6 years, and the fertility rate is 2.7 children per woman. The growth of the Cambodian population is putting a strain on the country's resources, including food, water, and energy. The government of Cambodia is working to address these challenges by investing in infrastructure and education.